Hi guys and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to pair your Apple Watch 8 with your iPhone 14. So let's do it. So here is my Apple Watch 8 and here is my iPhone 14 and I want to pair these two. And to do it you need to press here on the E icon from the corner. And now just select your language. I will select English and choose your region. I will select United States. Here there is. And now you need to open Apple Watch app on your iPhone and tap Start Pairing. So I will go to my iPhone and I will open Apple Watch. And now just press here Start Pairing and set up Apple Watch. I will set up for myself and you need to hold Apple Watch app to camera. Let's see if it's working by scanning. It seems that doesn't work, but doesn't matter because we have also the option to pair manually. Just press here and now tap the E icon on your Apple Watch. Just press here and this is the Apple Watch 82461. Just press here and now enter the 6-digit code display on your Apple Watch. Here is the code, so 012553, and now you just need to wait for a while. And now my Apple Watch is paired and now if you want you can restore from backup or set up as a new Apple Watch. I will set up as a new Apple Watch. Wrist preference left, continue. Terms and condition I'm agree. Watch analytics don't share. Apple Watch passcode don't add a passcode right now. Location services I will disable for the moment location services. Bold text and size I don't want this, continue. Shared settings okay. Personal fitness and health I will set up later, continue. Activity I will skip this step for the moment. Get notification yes, continue. Safety okay. Always on display yes, I agree. App view I want here a list view, continue. And now Apple Watch is synchronizing. You need to wait for a few seconds. Until the sync is over, you can press here get to know your watch and read about your watch if you want. And now it's over and welcome to Apple Watch. Just press OK and that's all. So here is my Apple Watch app and from here you can do a lot of settings and here is my watch. I hope this tutorial to be useful for you and see you to the next. Have a nice day.